Friday, everyone! So, kakatapos lang namin mag-video call sa work, guys. And, oh my God, yung buhok ko, tinali ko lang ng ganyan, guys. Oh, nanghilamos lang si ate nyo. Hindi na nag-makeup para sa video ko. But, yeah, that was good. It's currently 10:30 na ng umaga, guys. And, nag-message na pala ako sa manager ko kasi sabi ko, yung lunch break kasi namin, guys, is only 45 minutes. Pero, today kasi may gagawin kami ni Mike tsaka ni Paris. Sabi ko, I'll take an hour and a half lunch break. Tapos, ika-cover ko na lang mamayang hapon. So, it means na matatapos ako later mamayang hapon. But, that's fine. What we're gonna do today kasi, guys, is we're gonna take Paris to childcare again. If you haven't watched our videos before, bago nag-lockdown, guys, Paris was going to childcare 3 times a week. And I think the last time she went there was, I don't know, I can't even remember. Maybe 3 months ago na yun, guys, nung pumunta siya last time. Ngayon, we are planning to put her back next week. Kasi, medyo okay na naman yung sitwasyon dito, guys. Parang, today, parang bigyan muna namin siya ng taste ba. Yun bang pabalik sa childcare, yung makikita niya yung mga teachers niya doon, tsaka yung mga kaibigan niya. Kasi I know, guys, it was a struggle nung first time niya sa childcare. Like, she was crying because obviously ayaw niyang umalis ako and ganyan. So, ngayon, dadalhin namin siya ulit. Parang bigyan lang siya ng a little bit of experience ulit sa childcare. So, magstay kami doon maybe, half an hour or something like that. And hindi siya malayo dito sa amin, guys. It's only 10 or 12 minutes drive from here. So, yun, guys, magbibihis na ako kasi alis na kami. Kung maririnig niyo si Mike tsaka si Paris, ayan yung boses nila sa background. Nasa shower sila. And I'm just gonna get Paris ready as well. So, I'll come back and see you soon, guys. Nabihisan ko na si Paris, guys. Ayan, no. Bagong ligo na ka. Smells good, Uy, bata. So, ayan, guys. Magbibihis na muna ako while magdadry na tong buhok ni Parisya para itay natin yung buhok niya. Nak, show us your dress, Nak, please. And your boots too, please. Do you like your boots? Ayan, guys. Oh, very cute yung boots niya, guys. No? Super liit. Say hi, friends. Hi, friends.
Monkey jumping in the bed.
Oh, monkey jumping in the bed. Well, hello, everything. Ito yung pa-outfit natin for today, mga friendship. So, naglagay lang ako ng guys, yung parang oversized na blazer lang ba? Na camel color. Kasi I really like this one. And ano lang sa ilalim, guys, white na spaghetti strap na top. Tapos gisi-gisi na jeans. Tapos white na yung ganyan na shoes, guys. Oh, excuse my toenails because they're very gross na siya, guys. Oh, wala na limpyo-limpyo, guys. Uy, sarado ang shop. But yeah, ito yung outfit. Uy, honey girl, are you okay? Ito yung pa-outfit natin, guys. So, diba? I really like this look. Ayan, yung buhok natin, guys. Tali lang ganyan. Para hindi masyadong halata. And I'll just pair it with this bag. Ayan, parang crossbody lang na bag. Ayan. Oh. Diba? So, winner na ang ating pa-outfit for today. Hello, honey. You excited, Nak? Kaya makita ni mo yung friends, Nak? Are you excited to see your friends?
Yeah, Bobo.
Oh, hala. Ayaw, itulog, Nak. Mabuak nga ito sa amin, Nak. Big? Ay, tingnan nyo, guys. Oh, ang ganda ng boots niya, guys. Oh. Nak, pakita sa mong boots, Nak. I really like this look, guys. Kasi, very, lang siya. Oh, comfy lang siya ba? But this one is, medyo huot. Medyo huot lang siya, but that's fine. Wala na yung makahalataan na, oh. Hindi mo kita, masampungan naman na siya. But that's the black. First time ko palang sinuot tong shoes na to, guys. Tingnan nyo, oh. Kasi I'm not very into ganitong block ba na heels. Parang square na heels. Ayan. Normally sa akin kasi is very pointy. Ayan, dito ng ating bomber din, oh. Video bomber. Hoy, ginoo ko. You're beautiful girl.
Cheese.
Dress. Who bought your dress?
Boots.
And boots.
My baby boots.
Okay. What's the color of your boots?
Black.
Black. That's right. So, ayan na yun si Mike, guys. Oh, naka-shoes lang siya. Naka-black na pants and white na ano. Ayan. Ganyan kami pag nag-ready kami dito, guys. Para kaming mga, ano, naghuot na kami sa aming balay. Ayan na sila, guys. Oh, sunny outside. It's beautiful. Ayan sila. Oh, di ba? Ang aking mag-ama. Charot. Kaya, guys, yung sasakyan namin, guys, nandiyan na naman sa labas. Oh, kasi yung garage, ginawang gym ni Mike. Hello, Charlie. Hi, Charlie.
Hi, Charlie.
Hello, guys.
Hi, Camille.
Hello, Camille.
Camille.
Yeah.
You're dressed up so pretty.
So, we're here na, guys. Kakapark lang namin. And, ayan na. Kinukuha na ni Daddy si Paris sa car seat. And, it is currently, ano na, guys, 11:30. And I think Paris is very excited. Oh, Daddy, the shoes. The boots. So, hindi ako makakapag-vlog sa loob, guys, kasi alam nyo naman, dito sa, kahit saan naman siguro, dito sa Australia din, bawal yung mga ganun pag may mga ibang kids. So, iiwan ko na lang yung camera ko dito. If ever makakuha ko ng clip sa phone ko, then we'll see how it goes. But iiwan ko na lang yung camera ko dito kaysa magdadala pa ako nito, ang bigat-bigat. You remember the fishy, honey? Wow. Nabis o na-miss niya yan. Tagal mo nang hindi nakapunta dito. Ano po?
Fishy.
The jellyfish. Come on na, open the door, Daddy.
That fish.
Go. Go.
Hello.
Hi again, guys. So, nakabalik na kami dito sa sasakyan. And, oh boy. Ayaw umuwi ni Paris, guys. Gustong-gusto niya talaga doon. Pagdarating namin doon, guys, nakita niya yung mga friends niya. Nung nag-hold na siya sa rope, guys, sabi namin, bye. Tapos sabi din niya, bye, mommy, bye, daddy. Kaya yun. So, I think very excited na talaga siyang bumalik. And, kasi akala namin, guys, na babalik kami sa, scratch ba? Like, we'll start from one again. Na, before, nung first time ko na dinrap si Paris, sobrang iyak niya talaga. But ngayon, kasi naboboard na nga siya sa bahay, kaya yun. What do you reckon, Daddy?
Yeah, fantastic. Paris looks so happy to be back.
Yeah. No, we really think that she's so happy to be back. Ayaw niya talagang umalis, guys. Like, she doesn't wanna go home, and to the point na kailangan siyang buhatin ni Mike para makalabas na kami doon. So, we all have to go back to work, and yeah, kaya yun. So, try lang namin yun sa kanya, guys. We would like to see lang talaga kung ano yung reaction niya na bumalik siya ng childcare. So, I think that would be it. Mag-uusap kami ni Mike mamaya and gagawa kami ng decision ko anong gagawin namin. And yeah, now we're just gonna go drive back home. Actually, Mike gusto niyang mag-stop muna sa coffee shop. And your hair looks cool, Daddy. Tignan yung buhok niya, guys. Oh, may paano. Tinatawag ko yan siyang Gatsby, guys. But yeah, we'll stop at the coffee shop for now so we can grab something to drink and then back home and then back to work na naman, guys. Yan talaga yung buhay natin dito. Guys, nandito na kami sa shops. Tapos si Mike lang yung lumabas kasi ayoko na, very hassle na kasi, guys, na lumabas pa kami ni Paris, like take her out and put her in. And guys, alam niyo naman si Paris, guys. Kaya si Mike na lang yung lumabas, bibili lang yun siya ng ng hot chocolate. And after here, guys, uwi na kami. And really, I couldn't believe na si Paris, guys. Ngayon ko lang talaga na-realize kung gaano talaga ka-bored na si Paris sa bahay. Kasi pagkakita niya talaga guys, mga laruan, sa mga kaibigan niya dun guys, she was really, really excited. And it makes me and Mike really, really happy na makita namin siyang gano'n. So at least na alam namin na pag binalik na namin siya next week sa childcare, she'll be happy and content. Like, diretso talaga siya sa sandpit, guys. Yung may mga balas-balas ba. Super talaga yung laro niya dun. Sabi niya, sandkaso, sandkaso. Kakaawa talaga, guys. Uy. Pero kasi gusto ko talagang i-keep muna si Paris sa bahay while I'm working from home. But, I understand Mike naman na he's really keen on putting Paris back sa childcare. Kasi, alam niya nga yan, kami ni Mike, we're still working from home, but then, obviously, Paris is with us, but, naboboard siya guys kasi Mike and I are still working, so yung mukha namin always nasa computer and Paris wants attention and minsan hindi namin nabibigay yung 100% na full attention talaga sa kanya. So at least pag nasa childcare siya, she's learning and yeah, at the same time she's having fun. Kami ni Mike guys, hindi pa kami babalik ng office talaga, so I think I heard na yung kumpanya nila ni Mike, maybe they're starting dalhin yung mga workers nila balik sa office maybe next week. We'll see how it goes. But yung sa kumpanya namin guys, there's no news as yet. Sabi nila they will, announce something by the end of the month. So, working from home pa talaga ako ngayon guys. But this time, kung makabalik man si Paris sa childcare, then I will have a bit more time, maybe cleaning the house. Kasi guys, kung nakikita nyo naman yung bahay namin minsan sa vlog natin guys, para talaga siyang binagyuhan. Kasi wala nga kaming time. Work from early hanggang sa hapon. Tapos, si Paris is at home all day. We take her out for a walk during lunch break namin. But, wala kaming time na minsan, to clean the house. Kaya, yeah, it will be a good opportunity na, pag nakabalik si Paris sa childcare, then, yun guys, malinisan na natin yung bahay, makakapaglaba na tayo, like we'll have a bit more time. Hello everything! Nakauwi na kami guys, balik na kami sa work, so kita-kits na lang mamaya guys ha, kasi balik na naman sa atin yung sa trabaho guys, para may pambili tayo ng bigas. Nandito na yung food natin guys, ayan oh, kita nyo? Ano na yan siya? Parang iniiwan lang nila sa labas, kasi nga 'di ba? May pa rin tayo, restrictions pa rin tayo. So, bawal pa rin magkita-kita guys. Kaya pinaiwan ko na sa labas. Si Paris, tulog pa rin guys. Anong oras na? Gigisingin ko na yun siya na. Ayan. Oh, meron tayong, bumili ako na ito. Ayan. Tapos, meron tayong frozen Coke. And ito, normal lang na Coke. And chips. And, ayan, cheeseburger. Ay, hindi yun. No, hindi yun cheeseburger. Double, quarter pounder, whatever. Tapos, ito, nuggets. Ano ito yung sa akin, guys? Oh. Double cheeseburger. And that's it, guys. Yan lang. Ay, hindi pala nakalagay kung magkano lahat dito, guys. But, sa resibo, yung nabayaran namin dito sa lahat nito, guys, is $36 something. But, pinili namin yun, guys, kasi malapit na kasi siyang mag-35 yung nabili namin. And, yung delivery fee kasi is $7. So, sabi ko, 35 na lang natin yung order natin para ma-waive yung delivery fee. Kaya yan. Kain muna tayo, guys. Ginutom na si atin nyo. Hi, guys! Andito na si Paris, guys. Oh,
Mommy.
nagising na siya. Say hi na. Say hi, Saba.
Oh.
Mama.
Mama.
Mama, say hello, everyone.
Hi, Mama.
Ang simod, guys, is very, pale kasi she's been drinking cold drinks. Kaya, ayan oh. But, may natanggap kami today sa mail. Oh, mommy, open. Okay, can you open it, honey, please? May natanggap na naman kami sa mail, guys. So, yesterday, di ba, natanggap namin yung mga medyas niya. And now, ano kasi guys, we are slowly receiving the stuff na mga pinamili ko, I don't know, maybe a couple of months ago. Kasi nga diba, dahil sa COVID, na-delay yung shipping and everything. So ngayon, dumarating na sila guys, isa-isa. Woo! And now, may natanggap kaming isa and parang birthday lang siya guys. What is that, honey?
It's my place.
What is it?
Place E.
Oh, can you show it to the camera? Can you show it to our friends? What have you got there?
To place toys.
Woo! Show. What is it?
Place top.
Huh?
Top. Toys.
Open. Dito siya guys, oh. Nakalagay. Wow!
Shoes.
What is that?
Miss shoes.
Shoes! Would you like to show it to our friends now? What kind of shoes you've got? Come on. Yeah, show it to our friends. Wow! Here, now, show it to our friends. Andito guys, oh, ito yung natanggap namin. Malaki pa pala siya. Ayan, I think it's super lucky pa for Paris, but darating din siya dyan, guys. But super cute. Tingnan nyo, guys, oh. No, cheap lang to siya, guys, pero mukhang ano na siya, mukhang mamahalin din kahit cheap lang, oh. No, diba? Super cute. Wow, do you like it, na?
That's baby.
Do you like it?
And she's daddy.
Okay. Oh, you wanna show Daddy? Okay. Ayan na guys. So excited na show Daddy daw. Daddy is in the bedroom. Show Daddy ha. Good girl. So guys, ayan no. Nanonood pala ako sa ano ko guys. Friend ko dito sa Australia sa YouTube din. Jess Shell. Tignan niyo siya guys. Oh. Ayan, nanonood ako ng vlog niya. Ilagay ko yung ano niya guys ha. Yung pangalan ng channel niya below. And if ever gusto niyo lang naman guys, check out niyo siya guys. Family vlog din yung ginagawa niya guys. So, it's really good. So, time check pala guys is 6:22 na ng gabi. Ayan. Uy, hindi naman nakita guys. Uy, it's very dark dito guys. O, kasi nandito kami sa lunchroom. Wala ako sa sa beauty room ko where there's lots of lighting. But, i-end na natin yung vlog dito guys ha, kasi marami pa akong gagawin guys. Oh, magtutupi pa ako ng mga damit and ayoko naman i-vlog yung pagtutupi ko ng damit guys kasi ma-bored lang kayo ba. Gusto ko lang mag-shoutout guys sa ating mga bagong subscribers and mga bagong nag-comment sa ating videos. I just want to let you all know na appreciate ko kayong lahat and you make me very happy pag nag-comment kayo and nanonood kayo ng mga vlogs ko. Sa ganitong paraan, sa pag-shoutout ko, sana masiyahan kayo guys, ha? So, first up, shoutout to Daragang Magayon. Hello. Cindy Tan, Rosana Baluyot, Kaylor Schuberg, recommended by Loles. Oh, hi! Thank you very much for watching our video. Majoy Estrada, Nori Ann, April Verse Romero, Emma Galera, Familia Sanga, hello Tihani. Shout out to Richard Antiga, Christy Tumayan, Teresa Leonor, Rizalyn May Bating, Nash Harry Varona, Maribel Patiag, Juditay Pangit, and Lifestyle Australia, Lawless Family, hello Day, hello baby Jessica, good evening sa inyo diha, ay good morning muli sa inyo baliman na ito diha. Vile American Life, Norms of Life, Music Ana Obieta, RR26 Adventures, shout out Amelita Zayas, shout out to Jess Shill. So, yan yung ano ko guys, yung friend ko dito sa YouTube na silingan din namo siya dito guys. Silingan din namo siya dito. Ha? Ano daw? Tarungin mo yung Bisaya mo, day. Christine Joy Tabak, shout out sa inyo diha. Jenny Cass, Cactus PH, Janet Gordon, Roch Tampong, Mary Chris Relodge, Lizelle Iga, Samantha Di Jessica from Davao City. Hello. Genevieve Tan. I Makisachi. Maribel Ercilio. Elma Araneta. Gina Haguenes. Aisa Barbosa, Little Miss Isay. Yun lang yung shoutout natin, guys. Again, hindi ako magsasawang magpasalamat sa inyo, guys, sa oras na nilalaan nyo para sa ating mga videos. And kung meron man kayong gustong i-request o gusto nyong gawin ko, yes, honey? Oh, pram! Hala, sinuot na niya yung shoes, guys. Ito muna, guys. Na-interrupt ako ng aking bata, eh. What is that?
The wash.
And the wash. Show me your shoes, babe. Wow, nice kayo mong shoes na ginak. Kisa nagpalit, anak.
Pineapple.
Nak, kisa nagpalit sa mong shoes.
Apple.
Who bought your shoes? Mommy?
Mommy?
Say thank you, mommy.
That's your mommy.
You're welcome, sweetheart. Give mama a kiss. Give mama a kiss. Love you.
Mommy, apple.
Get daddy to open ka. It's very hard. Sorry guys, na-interrupt ako ng aking bata-batuta. So yun na nga guys, again, hindi ako magsasawang pasalamat sa inyo sa support ang binibigay nyo sa amin. I hope that you give this video a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I really hope to see you all guys in the next video. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye!